Namaste and welcome to Sonali Joshi's Astro Jyoti Healing. Namaste and welcome to Sonali Joshi's Astro Jyoti Healing. In the series of Rahu and Ketu placed into each other's nakshatra, today we are going to see Ketu placed in the nakshatra of Aradra. This video is for you if you have Ketu in Gemini. This video is for you if you have Ketu placed in the nakshatra of Aradra. And this video is also for you if you have Rahu placed in the nakshatra of Mula or Rahu placed in the nakshatra or Rahu placed in the sign of Sagittarius. To those of you who are new to this channel or new to astrology, let us see the significance of nakshatra that is known as Aradra. Nakshatra Aradra falls into the sign of Gemini. It is ruled by planet Rahu. That means the influences on the Aradra are first Mercury, which is lord of the sign Gemini, and second Rahu, because Rahu is the ruler of nakshatra Aradra. When you have Ketu placed in the nakshatra of Aradra, it indicates this is your past or this is from the past life. These experiences, these outcomes. If you have the nodal axis of Ketu in Aradra and Rahu in Mula, then it is a very significant placement from the nakshatra perspective. It is the root of the system. Rahu in Mula goes to the origin, to the roots, and then Ketu in Aradra is blossoming, growing after the storm. So this is a life full of experiences. This is a pretty spiritual placement. It means you may be facing events that are making you spiritual. Need not be happy events, need not be very simple events. So this is a difficult placement to deal with. There is a connection between past and future. When nodes are placed into each other's nakshatra, there is a confusion between past and future. People tend to get confused between whether these are the events from my past life, from few more years, or is this going to happen next? They have that confusion in dealing with them, and they have confusion with analyzing the outcome. This is a position where somebody can gain mental peace, status in the society, and they can deal with these experiences if they are doing yoga. Typically, all the asanas and meditations and working on your breathing is the solution for this placement if you are noticing any of the negative effects. As the name suggests, Aradra means moist, wet. It is also signified by a teardrop or heavy storm, rains. That means you will be facing storms, hurdles, obstacles in this lifetime. However, you have to overcome that sorrow and then you will be successful. Placement of Ketu in Aradra indicates you have already faced those storms in the past or past life. You know how to deal with difficult situations. Still in this lifetime, you have to dive to the roots of issues, because Ketu has Rahu placed opposite to it, and that is your future. So if you have Ketu in Aradra, remember, get into the habit of going into the roots of anything. What are the origins? What are the basics? How it is starting? What is hidden? Get into habit of that, and it will make your life comparatively easy. You have already dealt with different storms in your previous life or in the past, so it is over. Don't bring the bad memories or sorrows from the issues that have happened in the past into your present life. And then this placement will be comparatively easy to deal with. But learn from the mistakes, learn from the experiences, and then dive into the roots of things. Typically, I notice that people with Aradra Ketu, they can live away from their homeland, they can live away from their family, and in their lifetime they tend to reject all the family traditions, cultural traditions, and accept everything that is foreign to them. They are looking for different experiences because they feel being in their family, with their family members, it is like emotional storms. They have probably faced certain situations which they are not able to deal with and they chose to go away. However, in this lifetime or now, after if you are above 18, you might notice that there is the urge to always connect to the roots. You want to know more about your family, you want to know more about your ancestors, you want to know how everything in the world started. You are very curious. You are of the type of researcher kind of mind. And Aradra is like a dense forest. And you are supposed to venture into it with the help of Rahu. Go to the origins, follow normal, healthy, simple lifestyle. If you are a meat eater, remember probably you went through so much of battles to earn that meat in your previous lifetime. This is a time where you are going to move towards simple lifestyle. If you are into farming, that is a great thing. Work towards natural, organic type of farming. If you are into studies of vegetables, different roots, different plants, or herbal medicine, that is a great field to be in. This Aradra and Mula axis is going to connect you with the nature. Take walks outside, go visit green spaces, forests, mountains, wherever you can find vegetation, trees. This is the place where you should visit. And search to the origin. Human beings nowadays live in concrete or big homes where they are away from nature. This placement wants you to be a part of nature. Remember this. But live a simple lifestyle. What could be the professions when you have Ketu in Aradra? Probably you are really good at predicting weather. Somebody might just laugh at this, but I have noticed many people who have Ketu in Aradra can sense when it is going to rain. They are the same people, if this Ketu is connected with their second house, they will always feel good if they cry. Face the storms, look at the thunder, storms and rain, you are okay with it. And do some kind of gardening or farming. That will always give you solace. So if you can connect your professions with this, you are always good. You could be a zoologist, you could be a botanist, you could be somebody dealing with the professions related to forests, forest land, conservation of forest land, and you could be someone dealing with weather predictions, climate control, or conservation of nature. These are the great professions for someone who has Ketu in Aradra. If you are working in IT, you should try to connect your work with this. Use or deal with the systems that are for healthcare based with herbal medicine. You have excellent network of people. However, the relations might not be that easy. It's like all the animals fighting in jungle. So mark your territories. You want to be with those people who are helping you live a simple lifestyle. But Aradhra will always bring some storms in any profession, and you have to weather that storm to achieve the success. Focus on Rahu to go to the bottom of everything. You are a great researcher, so always keep that in mind. That is your key to live a better life. So what is the remedy for this placement? Doing regular asanas, doing breathing exercises, doing meditation, and having connection with nature and working towards conservation of nature is the key. If you want to know if you have Ketu in Aradhra or if you have any other planet in Aradhra, send an email to iamsonalijoshi@gmail.com. Please like and share this video with your friends who are interested in astrology, and please subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Shubham Bhavatu. Namaste.